Friends, this is yesterday, today and tomorrow. It's a flowering plant. It's a permanent flowering plant. So this plant of mine is in a huge planter and I had it with me in my garden for a couple of years now. It was flowering also. At the moment it is not. Now today I saw these leaves curling up. If I'm to show you, if I'm to give you a close-up, these leaves are turning bit yellow and also they are curling up. So what I'm going to do is to do a little bit of pruning in the plant, cut off the leaves, and to talk about the problems, common causes of these leaves curling up. So stay tuned until the end. I will be showing you what I'm going to do to the plant, and also I will be sharing you the causes of it. Since I'm going to clean the plant properly, the top layer of the soil, and put away the leaves that are gathered on the top layer. So that is the first thing that I'm going to do. First reason is underwatering and less humidity. So this is one of the reasons for leaves turning like this, curling up. So here also some of the leaves started curling up. And here also the plant is in some kind of stress. So the first thing is humidity levels are less and also lack of water. The plant is under some stress, these type of things can happen. So let's prune the plant. So cutting off those leaves that are affected is very important. Second reason is overwatering and root rot. That is also could be one of the reasons. In my case, now the plant is not underwatered because I have watered the plant, so maybe it's too much. That is the stress, or else it could be any pests in the soil. So I took it away from the original place and now I have taken it to give it some little bit of treatments. So first thing is I cut off the stems and leaves which are affected, and I'm going to remove them from the plant. So now that is all done, and here I'm going to add some turmeric onto the top surface of the soil, not too much, a little bit. That will keep the pests like spiders, little spiders and ants away. That is also one thing you should do. Here I sprinkle a little bit of turmeric on the top layer of the soil and cover it properly. So friends, and the other thing is, if the plant is directly exposed to the bright sun during the warm weathers, extreme hot weathers, that also will affect the plant, because in some cases it could be over fertilizing or under fertilizing. Lack of nutrients also a reason for leaves curling up. So see to this problem. If you have plants that facing this problem, you could apply the tips and tricks that I have mentioned in the video. See to the soil, see to watering and fertilizing. Check the soil and see that plant is not facing direct sunlight throughout the day. Because exposure of the too much of bright direct sunlight also is not necessary. So these plants are flowering plants and they love the sunlight, but that is also, if it is given too much of sunlight, this can happen. So friends, in this short video I have described about the reasons the curling of leaves in a plant and the root causes and what you can do to get rid of it. So I hope it is very useful. So I'll give you an update about the plant as well. So stay tuned to Tamara's Garden, and if you are new, consider to subscribe. Thank you.